Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today we're taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've just had come into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi Q3 S-Line with the 35 TFSI engine and the 6-speed manual gearbox. This particular model comes in the stunning Mythos black metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 1.5 turbo petrol engine you get 147 brake horsepower with 250 Nm of torque, which gets you from 0 to 60 in around 9.2 seconds. On the front we have these LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners these 19-inch 20-spoke alloy wheels finished in graphite grey with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that black metallic paintwork and working really nicely with the S-Line styling package. With the electrically operated tailgate open you get 530 litres of boot space, perfect for your everyday essentials and weekend away luggage. With the rear seats folded down you get 1,525 litres, perfect for those larger and bulkier items. The interior is finished in part leather, part cloth for maximum luxury, with the centre armrest, dual cup holders and rear air vents bringing up the comfort front. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the S-Line leather multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossed in at the top, and they are manually adjustable, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is configurable to your preference using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice control, so it's mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Underneath the climate control we have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist button which brings up the front and rear sensors and rear camera, so you never have to worry about parking even in those tight supermarket car parks. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 layers of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. If you'd like to look at this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact with us and come and take a look for yourself.